Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We're here at the welding department. Ramon's been welding some bars. Yesterday they took around, how many bars did they take yesterday? Powder coating?
Like close to 60?
Alright, close to 60 bars, so now he's knocking more bars now.
We're shooting for 70 this time.
70.
What's up, Street Fan? What's up? Well, we're actually designing, or I'm assembling our first S15 rear bash bar. As you can see, Matt shot over the design, and it is our first fit right now. So far, this is a main bar. It is gonna get a jack point, but just to make sure it fits correctly on Eot's S15 that he let us borrow, we're gonna go try it out and see how it fits.
Alright guys, we're at the clubhouse. Matt is over here creating more things.
Maybe.
Alright, Ramon, let's head to the shop. Eot's 15. So now we are gonna test fit the bar.
Hopefully it clears, guys.
So this is without the jack points. We're trying to see how it fits without it.
Well, we're in there.
Look at that. We need your assistance. We need some light. We need some light.
You want to come in on this part? Yeah.
Nah, you got it. How about the light?
Yo, I did not know this is how it sat in there. This is
How do you hold in the light? Look at Matt holding the light.
I'm the light man.
Really about to hit someone.
This is amazing the way this thing just like.
Don't push me, I'm close to the edge.
Over here, this is Renee's nice toolbox right here. Renee has like all the tools from Harbor Freight, man. Look at this thing.
Actually, the box is Harbor Freight, but the tools are not Harbor Freight.
Oh, it's not?
Yeah, these are Cobalt. So he has a combination of like the stuff that's like the good stuff. You know?
I mean, he has all the tools you need to build a race car.
Yeah, but only metric, no standard.
No standard. Nobody. No moment of truth.
Just gotta get it over this exhaust.
We're in over here.
It's in already. Easy, look at that.
Good job, Ramon.
Sick.
From the design, the visual.
And you'll see later that the jack point, it's gonna come out right here. And we don't want to cut out Eot's bumper, so we're just gonna show what the bar looks like without the bumper cover on.
Yeah, but it's a small cut though.
It's a small cut, yeah.
Now Ramon is back. Look at this guy, he welds like, this guy's a fast welder.
Fast. Yeah, like,
Build a monster here.
it was only like 5 minutes. It was gone for 5 minutes.
Let's try it out again with the jacks.
Let's get some light.
I'm the light man.
I'm the light. Hold that light, let me see that light. Alright guys, it's on it. Look at that. That's the smallest jack point you said, right?
Yeah, that's the tiniest jack point we make, man.
You guys can see the fitment. Looks good.
Full bolt on, and for the super low S15s, now you can lift it up easy. Boom, boom.
So, alright guys, we're gonna give you a little update on Tao's car.
Yep, so we got the 2 front tires in. We got Dunlop Dureza Z3s. I'm really excited to put those on because
Those tires.
I can actually afford good tires now.
Pretty nice.
Pretty nice sticky boys. So we're gonna mount those up in the next couple of days and get those on the front so that we can have maximum clearance with our angle kit. And another thing we're gonna be doing on that car is installing a new KoyoRad end flow. Again,
nice.
This is a very nice radiator. I'm really excited to run this. This is Koyo's new end flow, which on a traditional S chassis radiator, the coolant flows from the top down, and on the end flow, it actually goes from the side, and I believe it makes 2 passes. So you get extra cooling.
Ooh. Yeah, looks
Very
nice.
cool.
Alright man, so what are we doing here today?
We are 3D scanning this new Koyo end flow so that we can develop our own fan shroud to run 2 12-inch style fans so that we can get the most cooling efficiency possible.
So if you guys see this, the little flashing lights, now if you check this out, look at that. It's scanning the whole,
You can even see the top.
radiator. You say you like doing this, right?
I love
the whole
doing
scanning.
this. I love doing this. I love designing new products and bringing them to life because it's not just me that gets to enjoy them, but it's all of you guys too.
Yeah.
And I hope you love them as much as I do.
Definitely. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're here at the clubhouse getting the tires ready. So we can mount the tires on the front wheels, right?
Yeah.
Alright, and what are we doing with the back tires?
Gonna be flipping them. These wheels used to be on the S2000, so the tires have some like shoulder wear right here, which you can see.
Some or a lot?
Yeah, just some. So I want to have them flip it so that we can use the side that has good meat on it. Yeah.
So we can burn them, right?
So we can burn them up.
Burn them up. Alright. Moon. You go to Hawaii to get that shirt?
Maybe. Nah, Alyssa sent it to us. Thank you, Alyssa. I love it. Now I feel like I've been to Hawaii. We're back.
Ooh, look at that.
I'm excited to see them put on, so let's make it happen.
Car without wheels.
And then here you go, magic. So here we have it. Boom. Wheels are on. I think they look pretty good.
If you clap again, maybe the engine would change.
Yeah, that's true, huh? Maybe let's try it.
Alright guys, it's the next day. Let's see what Matt is doing.
Welcome back, everyone.
Welcome back. So it's day number 2 or 3, something like that.
Yeah, on the S15 rear bash bar project. So we've already test fitted, everything's good to go. So all I gotta do now is take care of TIG welding it all up, making it look real pretty. And then our friend Jimmy wants the first bar, so we've already claimed it for him. So I'm gonna finish this up for him. Number 2?
What do you think, Renee?
I think it looks badass.
Looks pretty badass, right? What you working on?
Oh, right now I'm making a huge batch for FC RE7, so it should go out really soon.
Alright guys, we're back at the clubhouse. Let's go see ES 15.
Alright, Kevin, we're ready to test. See if it works.
Pretty solid. Wheels off the ground. There you go.
It works.
Now I can go drifting.
Alrighty, so that's pretty much a wrap for this bar. So now that we know that everything works and it's fully functional, then we can start producing for the few orders that we have already coming. And then we'll build one for Eot if he wants it, and then we'll get this one coated and shipped to Jimmy. But thanks for joining. Next vlog is gonna be about seat bracket install and then 3D scanning the interior for a harness bar.
Sick. Alright guys, stay tuned for next video.